Last week, 4,400 people became millionaires in a single moment. Not founders, not venture capitalists. Welders, machinists, engineers, people who took lower pay for 20 years and held ownership instead. The reason? SpaceX went public. It raised a record $75 billion, and on that same day, Elon Musk became the first trillionaire in human history. It's an incredible story, but here's what nobody is connecting. The SpaceX IPO isn't just a feel-good moment, it's a signal. Money, power, and talent in artificial intelligence are all collapsing into a handful of hands faster than anyone realizes. Take Google. In a single week, it lost two of the most important minds in AI. Noam Shazir, the man who co-wrote the paper that made ChatGPT and Gemini possible, left for OpenAI. Days later, John Jumper, a Nobel Prize winner, joined Anthropic. Alphabet stock dropped 7% in one day. Then OpenAI and Broadcom revealed their own chip, built specifically to run AI models. The biggest players don't want to depend on NVIDIA anymore, so they're building the hardware themselves. And all of this, the talent wars, the chips, the data centers, is being paid for with borrowed money. Morgan Stanley says global AI debt is about to nearly double to $570 billion this year alone. Here's my take. As someone who builds with these models every day, the SpaceX millionaires are real. But look at the pattern. The talent, the chips, the money, they're all concentrating into the same few companies. This isn't an AI race anymore. It's an AI empire being built in real time. And even Musk's trillion is mostly on paper. SpaceX stock has already pulled back hard from its IPO high. So the question isn't who has the best model anymore. It's who can afford to stay in the game, follow for the engineer's view, not the hype.